Hello everyone. Today we're trying this Ready Hour emergency food storage powdered whey milk. Okay, so let's see how this stuff is. It says basically all you gotta do is open pouch, remove oxygen absorber using a chart above, dissolve indicated amount of powdered whey and corresponding volume of warm water. Best when mix in mixing pitcher blender. Mix until all powder is dissolved. Add indicated amount of cold water. Mix well. So I'm going to do the 1 cup. So 2 tablespoons powdered whey, 1/4 cup warm water, 3/4 cup cold water. Alright, so open this here. Okay. I used to have powdered milk back in the day. And it was okay, like if you put sugar in it. Okay, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put some warm water in there real quick. It says 1/4 cup warm water, so. All right, 1/4 cup warm water. That's about 1/4. Mix well. Okay. How it dissolves, it said, right? Best when mixing a mixed powder until it's dissolved. All right. Looks pretty dissolved. Now I'm going to add the 3/4 cup of cold water. They're giving us 1 cup of delicious whey milk. Maybe. Okay, well, let's see. Hope you can see me for this taste test here. Here it goes. Whey milk. Huh. It's actually not too bad. Yeah. Really, it actually tastes like kind of just like regular milk, warm like regular milk. Very similar. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so there you have it. An honest review on the whey milk from Ready Hour, powdered whey milk. Yeah, pretty tasty. Tastes really, actually very similar to regular milk. So, I imagine if you refrigerated it and stuff, it'd taste, yeah. It'd be difficult to tell. Might do a blind taste test. And then try it with the kids maybe. Anyway, I'm going to recommend that. It's pretty tasty. And it goes in the door. Not on the countertop. You'll break the countertop. Okay, we'll just put it in the garage. I'll take care of it. Anyway, sorry for that interruption. And thanks for watching, everyone. We'll be back with more reviews on this Ready Hour stuff. Have a great day. Thank you.